Good evening students, welcome back. I am making this video for standard 10. Subject is economics. The name of the chapter is money and credit. This is the third chapter and this is the second part of my video. Now in the previous video we had discussed about barter system. We had discussed about the disadvantages of barter system and we have also discussed about the introduction of money. Now in this video we will discuss about the problems of the earlier stages of money. The early stages of money. What were the problems? The demerits of early stage of money. Now, the money was introduced by several kingdoms in form of precious metals such as gold, such as silver. Various kingdoms used to bring their own currency, stamped, and various logos were given in the gold coins. And those coins were used as a medium of exchange in order to buy certain commodities. Now, it was seen that various kingdoms, they misused this gold factor. Some used to give pure gold, some used to give duplicate gold. There, the problem was discovered several years later, where the traders found themselves bluffed on various kingdoms where the quality of the gold was compromised. Then this gold coins exchange was stopped. More than that, the traders were facing the difficulty in carrying them because the traders used to come by ships where there were pirates who used to rob the ships. So all type of difficulties were faced in the precious gold coins. Then the cheap metallic coins were introduced, such as copper, such as bronze. These coins gained a lot of popularity and it was accepted as a stable medium of exchange. But still, there were certain problems. The metallic coins remained as a medium of exchange for a long period of time. But as the time progressed, the traders around the world faced difficulties in them, such as when the trading was done on bulk items, on huge items, expensive items, the traders found it difficulty to carry the currencies with them. For that, even the big traders used to hire a full ship full of currencies. An entire cargo ship was carried just to take the currency with it. So it was very, very costly, as well as it was very, very time consuming, where the coins are to be counted and all. So there were a lot of hassles were there in the metallic coins. More than that, it became very heavy also. Then the next alternative came, that was the paper currency. But it came after a very long period of time. The paper currency proved to be one of the most convenient source of money, convenient mode of money, mode of exchange. So this paper currency gave lot of relief to the traders because it was very, very light and it was available at various denominations. Denominations means the currency value, such as 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees. All these are the denomination values. Now, after that, with the paper currency notes, the modern form of money came into existence. The modern form of money, the paper notes, became one of the most popular medium of exchange. The people, the traders, everyone, the customers, the traders, everyone took it as one of the most convenient mode of exchange. Because of the availability of various denominations, the divisibility factor also became very, very easy. Now, with the progress of time, and when people started to think with more innovative way, various innovative techniques were also brought in the case of money. With the paper notes, some problems were faced, such as the round off problem. That means the change problem, the round off problem. If someone needs to pay a certain amount without giving any change, this was the first thing, that the change problem came in the paper notes and the coins. More than that, in order to carry out the high value transactions, people used to carry these notes in a bulk quantities. There, often they used to face the problems of the burglary. There were thieves, there were robbers and all. So there the money was stolen, lost, anything was happened. So different type of mishaps started to take place. Kidnapping and all sorts of mishaps started to take place. Crime started to take place because of money. Then the government introduced one of the most safest and the convenient mode of payment. Then came the concept of check. Check. What is actually a check? A check is a paper where the value of the money has to be written and it would be paid in the financial institutions like the bank. Now, in order to draw a check, first of all, a person needs to have an account in any of the bank, any of the available bank in a country. Now, a check is drawn by the person who draws the check. The person who has an account draws a check on another person in order to do payment. The person who draws the check is known as the drawer, and the person who accepts the check is known as the drawee. Now, the person receives the check, and it is one of the most safest way of payment. Why? Because first of all, the value is written in a complete round of figure. Suppose a person is paying, suppose 1,85,891 rupees to someone. In that case, you see how much money, how much this the currency, the whole currency has to be made. It is a complicated process. But in check, you simply write down the value in number as well as in the numeral form, and simply go to the bank in order to take the payment. So very easily the amount you will get from the bank. Moreover, if the check is lost or stolen, there is no need to worry, because if an account pay check is given to any of the, if the drawer draws an account pay check to the receiver, there is no problem of, or there is no danger of the check getting misplaced or stolen or anything. So these are the things that the functions. So this was the advantages of the modern form of money such as paper notes and check. So all these things were from today's video. In the next video, in part 3, I will discuss about the advantages of check payments as well as the functions of the commercial bank. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and goodbye.